The Audi RS6 Avant is a completely new model in the USA, although it has access to its predecessors in international markets. However, it's worth noting that the RS6 features a 48-volt mild hybrid system never seen before in Audi Sport products. Interior. The interior of the RS6 is outstanding with a combination of space, luxury materials, and high-technology displays. As always, in the current offerings of the German brand, the build quality is flawless and everything is perfectly installed. However, for those who like to use physical buttons and dials can be disappointing by the presence of 3 screens. One of them is used to set up the 4-zone climate control system. This car is also featured with a 12.3-inch customizable driver information display that can display everything from maps to multimedia, performance parameters, and indicators. More technical features are also available in the options list with a heads-up display and night vision camera, but standard items such as 14-way heated and ventilated front seats are also cherished. For vehicle settings, an 8.6-inch screen and a 4-zone climate control system is also present in this car. This vehicle is also providing the facility of heated steering wheel, heated and ventilated front power seats, panoramic sunroof, multicolored customizable ambient lighting, adaptive air suspension, and rear axle steering. Interior space. The RS6 is a 5-seater vehicle. Sitting in the back seats is not a problem for taller adults and due to its long wheelbase. But the person in the middle should probably be a teenager to make sure that there are no complaints in the legroom area. The space in the front legroom is 41.3 inches and in the rear legroom is 37.4 inches. The space for front headroom is 38.3 inches and for the rear headroom is 39.5 inches. Getting in and out is also easy. At the front, both passengers have 14-way adjustable seats that offer the perfect viewing point for anyone at any height. But comfortable seats are also available if you don't like the wide seat bolsters. The seats are supportive and comfortable, and the driver's seat is also featured with such an amazing technology to look in every direction clearly. However, you can relax until you learn how to operate the RS6 open body in tight spaces. Interior colors and materials. There is almost no sign of plastic in the interior of this stunning car because Valcana leather with honeycomb and contrast stitching is used profusely. Aluminum highlights various design features in the complex instrumental dashboard. Looks like a spaceship. If you don't like the red seams on the seats, you can choose for rock gray or black, cognac brown leather with granite gray stitching. Infotainment. This car is featured with the latest MMI infotainment system with a 10.1-inch horizontal touchscreen. This touchscreen manages the displays of everything. It also provides the facility of navigation, wireless Apple CarPlay, wired Android Auto, Sirius XM satellite radio, a 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, HD radio. For data transfer, this car is equipped with Bluetooth connectivity and 4 USB ports for both data and charging. The RS6 is also providing wireless smartphone charging. This car has a 705-watt 16 speakers Bang & Olufsen 3D premium sound system. If you want to upgrade, there's an even more impressive 19-speaker 3D advanced sound system from B&O with 1,820 watts output. Cargo space. The RS6 is a very practical car with 20 cubes behind the rear seats. If you require more space, you can lower the splitting rear seats and get up to 59.3 cubic feet space. The cabin has 4 cup holders, a center armrest, small door pockets, and a decent but small glove compartment. There's also a pocket in the center console for your phone. Dimensions. The RS6 is a large car with a length of 196.7 inches and a wheelbase of 115.3 inches, while as compared to the non-RS models, the width of the RS6 increased by 1.6 inches. The front track width is 65.7 inches and the rear track width is 65 inches. When the mirrors are folded, the width is at 76.8 inches and the height is 58.6 inches. The curb weight is surprisingly high, and the all-wheel drive station wagon outweighs the scale at an arrogant 4,960 pounds. Its turning diameter, or radius from curb to curb, is 40 feet. Engine and performance. The powerhouse of the Audi RS6 is nothing more than a forced supply bomb. The 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 engine under the hood produces enough traction. The 4-liter twin-turbo engine develops 590 pound-per-feet of torque, which is divided to all 4 wheels with 591 horsepower via the Audi all-wheels drive system. 590 pound-per-feet of torque is supported by a 48-volt mild hybrid system that includes brake regeneration. The possibility of human error is required acceleration eliminated by extremely fast 8-speed automatic transmission and adjust gear changes. By the way, this terrific station wagon accelerates at around 100 kilometers per hour in just 3.5 seconds. This kind of acceleration, which rivals a supercar, is almost impenetrable in a car that is as heavy as some large SUVs. Keep your right foot on the ground and this family car will hit 174 miles per hour without sweating. This limit goes even higher at around 190 miles per hour if you specify the ceramic brake upgrade with a dynamic package. It's not just about accuracy. Standard rear axle steering, rear differential and adaptive air suspension, comfort, and incredible handling. Despite its impressive horsepower, the engine turns heated turbochargers smoothly. Throttle response, acceleration in any gear and at any speed, an endless wave of torque, and a feeling it wants you to push your limits. Fuel economy and range. The fuel tank or gas tank capacity of this car is at 19.3 gallons. There are many interesting advantages to buying a car like this, but it also comes with an expensive warning of less than ideal fuel economy. No official figures have yet to be released, but the fuel economy of this vehicle, the 2021 RS6, is predicted by the EPA in the city at around 15 mpg. On highway is at 22 mpg, and in combined, the fuel economy is at 17 mpg. The range of this car in the city is at 289.5 miles and on the highway at around 424.6 miles. The CO2 emission from this car is at 10.5 tons per year. Exterior look. Flared fender arches are filled with 21-inch wheels as standard. 22-inch wheels are also available. The signature single-frame grille with RS-specific details is crowned by a narrow opening between the HD Matrix LED headlights installed at the front, while the contoured hood, matte aluminum mirror caps, and panoramic sunroof stand out. A new diffuser is installed in the typical oval twin tailpipes at the rear, while a slim roof spoiler and vigorous LED backlights make it look more aggressive. Colors. As standard, the RS6 2021 is only available in one color, Nardo Gray or deep black paint with orange decorative stripes. A range of metal options are available for those looking to spend $595. Available colors include Florid Silver, Glacier White, Mythos Black, Navarra Blue, and Tango Red. Pearl-plated Daytona Gray is also available for the same price, but Sebring Black is the most expensive option that is crystalline and having $1,075 cost for a single color option. You can get the standard red painted setup for just $500 if you want to animate the color rear brakes. Wheels and tires. The standard size of front wheels is at 21 by 10.5 inches, and the size of the rear wheel is also at 21 by 10.5 inches. Both front and rear wheels are made of aluminum. The size of the front tire is at P275 by 35YR21, and the rear tire size is at P275 by 35YR21. Brakes. The brake system of this vehicle is very good. Its all four wheels are featured with braking discs and anti-lock braking system. The diameter or thickness of front brake rotors is at 16.5 inches and the size of the rear brake rotors is at 14.6 inches. Safety. The RS6 is a highly technical car with standard automatic emergency braking system, lane departure warning, and a surround view camera. This car is also equipped with HD Matrix LED headlights with automatic high beam and dynamic DRL, animated LED rear lights. Price. As you might guess, this is not a cheap car. The base price of the cheapest option starts at $109,000, excluding the $995 destination fee. Of course, there is only one trim level, but the added options make this thing so expensive that you can easily buy another decent car with all the options added. When fully loaded, you get over $140,000 in total. Conclusion. The RS6 is finally offered here. Things will definitely be shaken up with a new wagon that is fast, practical, spacious, wider, and luxurious. Now, is this the ultimate one-car garage filler? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more amazing videos.